I'll do an example using this equation. Suppose r equals sine 3 theta. We want to find the slope of the line tangent to the function when theta equals pi over 6. So pi over 6. So we're looking for dy over dx, which is equal to this equation that we found before. And so we'll just plug in r, which we know r is sine 3 theta. So sine 3 theta cos theta, and then r prime is just going to be 3 times cosine 3 theta times sine theta, all over negative r sine theta. Oops, sorry, that should be sine 3 theta sine theta plus 3 cos 3 theta cosine theta. Okay, so I have this equation. Sorry, it's hard to read. I'm going to rewrite it on the other page. dy over dx equals sine 3 theta cosine theta plus 3 cosine 3 theta sine theta all over negative sine 3 theta sine theta plus 3 cosine 3 theta cosine theta. Okay, and now we can just plug in pi over 6 equals theta. And so we'll do sine of pi over 2 is 1 times cosine of pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 2 plus 3 times cosine of 1/2 is 0 times sine of pi over 6 is 1/2 all over negative sine of pi over 2, which is 1 times sine of pi over 6, which is 1/2 plus 3 times cosine of pi over 2, which is 0 times cosine of pi over 6, which is square root of 3 over 2. And so those cancel out. And equals dy over dx equals the square root of 3, negative square root of 3, over 4. From this equation that we found earlier, we know something important about the graph of r equals f of theta when it passes through the pole. When theta equals alpha, some angle alpha, and f of alpha equals 0 because it's passed through the pole, and f prime of alpha does not equal 0, then we know that this equals 0, right? Because r equals 0, so we cross these out, and so that equals, and then so that equals r prime sine theta over r prime cosine theta. And as long as f prime of alpha is not equal to 0, r prime is not equal to 0, we can cross those out, and that equals tangent theta. So, therefore, because dy over dx equals tangent theta, the line theta equals alpha is tangent to the graph at the pole. So here's an example. R equals sine 3 theta. So r equals 0 when theta equals 0, pi over 3, and pi. here's the graph. We'll draw a big graph of it. So it's okay, that's the graph. R equals sine 3 theta. So R equals 0, or is at the pole, when theta is 0, pi over 3, or pi. And so because of this theorem that we discovered up here, we know that there are 3 tangent lines at the pole. One has the equation theta equals 0, the other has the equation theta equals pi over 3, and the other has the equation theta equals pi. So here's one, theta equals, I'll draw these with another color. Theta equals 0 is right here along this line. Theta equals pi over 3 is right here along this line, that's tangent there, and then theta equals pi is also along the same line. There are 3 tangents because there are 3 zeros.